welcome to Gaurnitai's birthday. And I'm just going to quickly explain what we're going to do. So first we will do the Abhishek. So we'll do Kirtan and everyone can come turn by turn and shower flowers, okay? And after that then we will do the offering. And while the offering is going on, children can do drama and whatever they're doing. And we were just thinking that each one can tell a little bit about Gaurnitai, just glorify them a little bit. So everybody will take turns and talk about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And after that, then we'll do Gaurarti and then Prasad. We are going to present before you a small drama on Little Nimai. One day, Jagannath Mishra, Mother Sachi and Nimai were at home. At that time, a poor Brahmin came to meet them.
Ding dong, doctor. Please sit down, please sit down. Please sit down, please sit down. Have some water, have some water. Do you want us to make your food? No thanks, I can make it myself. Alright, here's some rice.
Shh. The Brahmin cooked some rice offerings for his Gopal. He then went to do the offering.
She ate! What happened? The shell ate all the rice. Alright, I'll lock him in the room. Please cook again. Please cook again. No, please cook again. Please cook again. Okay.
the Brahmin decided to cook again. This time, Jagannath Mishra locked Nimai in the room. Once more, the Brahmana did the offering to his Gopal. Even though Nimai was locked up, he still came there.
She ate. Hi. What happened? She ate all the rice. Beat him with a stick. He's a little baby. All that. Please cook again. Please cook again. No, I eat fish. Mother said you use it.
Say, please.
Please cook again. Please cook again. Okay. Mother said this.
Now it was very late at night. Everybody had gone to sleep. The Brahmana made his rice offering for a third time. Once again,
Daddy.
he went to do the offering. Everybody else was asleep. Even though it was very late, still Nimai came there.
Hi. Why did he eat all the rice? Because you called me. I didn't call you. I called you.
The Brahmin got the darshan of Lord Krishna.
Oh, I'm so fortunate. Okay.
The Brahmana then left, chanting the names of
Name
वृंदावने चबूतरा ताहे मोर मन घेरा कोहे दीना नरोत्तम दास धन मोर नित्यानंद पति मोर गौरचंद्र प्राण मोरा जुगल किशोर।
Just shake your voice.
So this song was written by Narottam Das Thakur. It talks about how Nityanand Prabhu he's saying Dhana Mora Nityanand, Nityanand Prabhu is my wealth and Chaitanya Prabhu is my husband, like he's my master, and Yugala Kishore, that's what they were doing in the middle, Radha Krishna, that Yugala Kishore, Radha and Krishna are my life and soul, Advaita Acharya is my strength, and Gadadhar is my family, and Narahari Thakur, he is my happiness, like that the song goes. Then Narottam Das Thakur talks about the importance of devotees. So he says, Vaishnavera Pad Dhuli Tahe Mora Snana Keli, like the dust at the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas is what I want to bathe myself with, and Tarpan Mora. So I'm very Tarpan Vaishnavera Naam. So I'm very satisfied just hearing the names of the Vaishnavas. And then he's saying Vichara Koriya Mane Bhakti Rasa Aswadane. So whenever I think of tasting the nectar that is there in devotional service, that time I read Bhagavad Puran. So in the middle they were reading. Then Vaishnavera Uchishta Tahe Mora Mananishta. So the remnants, whatever the Vaishnavas eat, what remnants are left, that gives me determination to practice my devotional service. And Vrindavane Chabutara. So like the Vrindavan is, my mind is in Vrindavan. Vrindavane Chabutara Tahe Mora Mana Ghera. So Vrindavan is surrounded my mind. That time they were doing cow and Krishna. Shriya was Krishna. She was, and he was the cow in the middle. Vrindavane Chabutara Tahe Mora Mana Ghera Kohe Dina Narottam Das. So Narottam Das says like that. So he's just appreciating everybody. Very good.
Who is me?
Shreya Shah.
प्राणमुरा
This year actually because of the class and I spent a lot of time planning this whole month on CC, so I got to read a lot of pastimes on Lord Chaitanya, and the whole month was very Mahaprabhu conscious for all of us. And in all these pastimes, I think the pastime which always touches my heart is the Jagai and Madhai pastime. So there, you know, Nityananda Prabhu just reminds Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that you have not come here to kill the demons, because everybody is a demon. So you have come here to make devotees. And I think that mercy has flown down the parampara and it has come to us. So I'm of course very grateful to the Lord that He incarnated in this all merciful incarnation, and He's converting all of us demons into devotees. And we, as a part of Mahaprabhu's movement, we also have to take forward His vision and preach His message to everybody. And I don't know why everyone is thanking me, because I have to thank everybody. If you were not sending your children, then this would not have been there. And I'm so happy that and Gaurnita also, like in front of Gaurnita, you know, my house has become a temple every day. This was never there with me before, and now because of these children, it's like even for us it is such a responsibility. Like we have to, you know, otherwise we are so lazy, but because of the children coming so many times, we open the temple and we create that atmosphere at home like a temple. And I'm very happy and I'm very grateful to all of you for this thing. And also another thing, just to say, please stop complaining about your children. They are all very nice children. I don't know why mothers always complain. Such nice kids.
Fathers also complain.
Yeah, all the parents. No, because every day the mothers tell me something. But I feel that all the kids are very nice. And this batch is very, very nice batch. I don't have any problems. Very nice.
Bye.